Welcome back to the concept of strings and array methods. The very important concept in Ruby, where most of the operations takes place on strings and arrays in Ruby. So let's today discuss about some of the string methods and array methods. There are numerous string and array methods are available in the literature and in many websites. So we see some of the string methods like down case is used to convert the text written in capital letters to a small case or big case to small case. Upcase method is used to convert a text into small case. So all the uppercase letters will be converted into small case letters. Next, we have a reverse method, which is used to reverse this text. Suppose if we have a text called as welcome, so it will be EMOCLEW. Chop. Chop is a method which is used to trim last character of the text. Suppose we have COME come as a text. Okay, so the last character in this case is E. So the output will be COM. Next is swap case. This is used to change the case letter. That means if the text contains the upper combination of uppercase and small case letters, so it will be converted into the corresponding small case and uppercase letters. If T is capital, it is converted into small t. If there is a small a, it will be converted into capital A. Now, capitalize is another method which is used to capitalize the first letter of the text. Suppose if we have a text in the small case letters like mouse, MOUSE, where the letter M is a small case letters. So if we use this capitalize method, so M will be capital. Let us see some of the examples. Now there is a variable called as mystr, and I'm using a keyword called as a new along with the string class. I have a text called as this is test. I have a variable called as foo, variable class name dot method name. So in this case, this can be considered as an object dot method name. That is mystr dot downcase, and I'm using push to display the conversion of this capitalized word. This is text to small case letters. You can see the output that this is test, this down case. Similarly, if you go to the upcase method, so we have this is test in small case letters. This is converted to a capital letters called as this is test. You can see small case letters is converted into big case. Now we have a method called as reverse. We have the text called as ABCD, which is a text or which is a string. So when I use the reverse method, so the output will be D, C, B, and A. Now chop, as I told, it trims the last character of the text. The text is ABCD. Now I want to trim the last character, say D. Okay. So I use a chop method. You can see the output, it is ABC. Next we have what is called as swap case. So uppercase letters are converted into lowercase letters. Lowercase letters are converted into uppercase letters. So in this case, A is capital is converted into small a. The small bc, it will be converted into uppercase letters bc. And you have a capital D, it is converted into small d. So this is the usage of swap gas. Next, we have a capitalize method. So the text is A, B, C, D. Okay, so it is making the first cap letter to be a big case letter. These are the some of the methods which can be used under string class. So there are numerous methods are there. You can visit wtschools.com or tutorialspoint.com. There are a lot many websites are available to showcase various methods. Next, we have array methods. You know the typical definition of array is a homogeneous collection of set of elements. There are various methods are available in arrays. I'm just taking few methods. One is size, which is used to know the size of the array. Then we have a reverse method, which is used to reverse the elements of the array. We have at method, which is used to know the value of the element with a specified index. We have a push method, which is used to push the element into the array. Okay, you know the typical operations of push and pop. So pop is used to remove the element which is inserted last into an array. Include, this is used to test the presence of a specific element in the array. The element is available in the array, so it displays true. If it is not available, it displays false. Next, we have a sort method. This is used to sort the elements of the array. Is this clear? So there are lot many methods are available. You can explore in the Google. So in the first example, we have size. We have a array of size 20. How do we create an array? We use an array dot new and its size. There are different ways of using this. One way of creating an array elements is array dot new of size of an array. So which is say names. Now names is an array variable, and I just print say dot size. So puts names dot size. So this will give you the size of an array, that is 20. The second example, we array with a subscript. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 elements. It is nums of 0 is 1, nums of 1 is 2, nums of 2 is 3, nums of 3 is 4, nums of 4 is 5. So it is 0 to 4. So now I have a digits as one of the variable. Now I just write nums dot reverse. The output of this will be stored in digits. If you just display puts hash of digits, then you can see it is reversed. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next method is add, which is used to know the value of the array element. Now in this case, we write nums dot at of 3, right? So here in the third position, we have value 4. 0 is 1, 1 is 2, second position is 3, okay, and third position is 4. Means you can see the output as 4. Okay, now we have 5 elements here. Okay, so I want to insert a new element to an array. So I want to insert 6. So you can use a push method. So I'm inserting an element called as 6 to a array. So and that will be stored in digits. So when you just print these digits, the output will be 6. But if you just try to print num, it will show 1 to 5, not 1 to 6. If you're assigning after pushing the element a new variable, so then you can see the reflection. So in this case, the last element is say 5. I use pop method, which is used to remove the last element of the array. So that is pop operations. Next we have include. So this test whether the element is present or not. I want to check whether element 2 is present or not in an array. So since 2 is available in an array, so it displays say true. So next we have a sort. So we have array element 5, 1, 4, 9, and 10. Now we have to sort this. So you can say nums dot sort. Okay, it sorts the element in the ascending order 1, 4, 5, 9, and 10. So next, so suppose if I want to have a sequential number of elements to be displayed in an array, then I need not write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 0 with 2, sorry, 3 dots with 9. That means all the elements from 0 to 9 will be displayed on this. This is the other way of representing an array. Next, we want to print something n number of times. Okay, so we can write array.new 4 and you have variable, you have a character name. So I want to print the character T 4 times. I don't want to use for loops. Any kind of control statements, I don't want to use it. Now I'm converting this array into a hash variable. So I use hash, say names. Now you can see the output that T has printed for 4 times. If I write 8, T will be printed 10 times. So in fact, when I can join two arrays. Here I have nums as in one array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we have say num1 and we have 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can add two arrays, okay, by using the concatenation operator called as plus. Thank you. Any questions? If you have any questions, please revert back to me. Thank you.